Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Mr. Lamchaneygurung and I'd like to congratulate every one of you who brought into Switchback Energy shares. Now, since I made the video about a month ago, the value of Switchback Energy shares has more than doubled. And yes, I did book in some profits on Friday. In fact, all of my stock picks are in the green territory. They are giving profit at the minute. They are looking nice and good, except for our dear hyliion. Well, to be fair, I think hyliion has found a nice bit of support in the $20 below $20 mark, and it has recovered quite a bit. So please give me a thumbs up if you have benefited from my videos in some way or other. Trust me, it only takes you about 3 seconds, but you know, it means a lot to me. Also, always think before you sink. With that being said, I did go and I spent some money on buying hyliion shares at around a price of $22. Also, I got shares of this new company, at least in my portfolio, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, at a price of $18. Now at the minute I've only got about shares of that are worth about only £3,000 in this stock, but I will start loading more on this on this stock in the coming days and weeks, especially if I see some nice healthy pullback, because you know the stock has more than doubled since its launch of IPO on September. Okay, as an investor, as a businessman, as an engineer, data means a lot. In fact, data is everything, you know. A lot of my revenues, a lot of my calculations, they come from acquiring a lot of data, analyzing them, calculating them, and using them to achieve a better, faster, more efficient results. Okay, every time. That's what happens every time. Okay. So where better to invest your money and then in a company that does exactly that. So Palantir Technology is a publicly traded American software company that specializes in big data analytics. It was founded in 2003, so it is not a young company, to be fair. They mine data, analyze them, and manage, and they help in management and data management. In fact, in today's world, data means a lot, you know, especially marketing. When you are marketing your products, when you are marketing your course, even YouTube collects a lot of data from its viewers as well. It's used for surveillance, security systems as well, and now even in healthcare system. Okay, basically Palantir, it operates in its two main platforms. One is the Gotham, which is uses for its government customers. The other one is Frontier, which is for its enterprise customers. Both services gather information on users from different sources, and they craft an actionable data. Okay, so basically all Palantir helps is clients, tips its clients, and analyzes its data to solve sophisticated problems, or optimize operation by holding them their platforms with a search feature and visualization visualization ideas as well. So its tools are primarily adapted to services in security and surveillance industries. Okay, so and it has its biggest and oldest clients or customers are law enforcement agencies like FBI, CIA, ICE, the police department, the US Army. These data, which they handle are very and extremely sensitive and proprietary. So think about it, government handling so much sophisticated, so much sensitive data. It wouldn't allow its subcontractors, which in the case is Palantir at the minute, to fail or lag. All these government standards, all these procedures, facilities, and subsidized, or especially the funding that comes from government, will definitely keep this company up and running for a long term. I don't think so the FBI is going anywhere anytime soon. The American Army is going anytime anywhere soon. So you get the logic. Most of his clients are government based client, and they will stay, they will stick to Palantir, and they will have a lot of procedures if they want to change clients. So they will try to stay like loyal to its subcontractors, especially government agency handling these amount of sophisticated data, you know. Palantir, however, is also active in other sectors like the hedge fund departments, the banking department, financial services, and some of its clients also include that of Airbus and Ferrari as well. And after doing that, let's do a quick fundamentals on this company. Now, to be honest, this is a huge downside for this company. Even though it's 13 years old, this company has never made a profit in any of its years. So, however, in this third quarter of 2020 earnings report, which was last week, Palantir beat its forecast by making an earnings of $289.4 million, which it is up by 52% on a year-to-year basis, and it also beat its estimate by $10.1 million, with its client numbers also increasing from 125 to 132. You know, it's not you know, the number might the client number might not sound too big, but you know, even trust me, if they even add one client, like let's say LAPD, another LAPD department, or any other government section bodies, you know, a huge amount of revenue will be coming towards you know, this company. Okay, and now their net loss also increased, and this was very substantial. Last year it was 139.9 million compared to a whopping $853.3 million this year in the third quarter. Yeah, but bear in mind, most of this loss was attributed to $847 million in stock-based compensations, you know, regarding its direct listing, which was on September itself. Okay, what basically it means is like a lot of its money was not actually running, you know, or loss was not actually running or manufacturing goods, or you know, keeping up with the company. It was most of them, the money was lost by paying these employers, or you know, its board of directors or executives, you know, basically handed out, you know, shares. So that's where it lost its money, you know. If we put it aside, if we exclude that you know, share distribution to its workers and owners, the margin were actually increasing from 71%, the profit margin, were increasing actually from 71% to 79%. So 8% increment was there, obviously. Yeah, based on those improvements, Palantir's gap losses could, you know, they could narrow down you know, after next year, after this direct all this expenditure from this listing from its IPO is done. So there you go. Fundamentally, this company is not that, you know, bad. In the next coming few earnings report and the new number of clients that it is able to collect in 2021 will decide a lot of fate for about this company. So the bottom line is, you know, I like the idea about this company. Fundamental is okay, but you know, I am and I will be rocking with this company. It could easily cross the $100 mark by 2022. So I think it's a good chance of investing in this company for the long term. Now, with that being said, like I always say, always think before you sink, guys. And goodbye, my friends.